Hey everybody, Daniel back once again with another knife we have here at Serenity Knives in the showroom, in the shop, and online. We're with Benchmade once again. Here we're going to have the Benchmade Bugout, a little bit different. Those are going to be the upgraded version. So this will be the Benchmade Bugout 535-3. So just to delve right into it, if you're familiar with the Bugout, guys, we have a very similar and same profile. The overall length of almost 7.5 inches. Let's put this guy here. Almost 7.5 inches overall, guys. We've got a blade length of about 3 1/4, just under 3 1/4. Handle length is going to be 4 almost 1/4. So you're a little bit different on that blade handle ratio. This one's definitely going to be bigger here, you can see, and the blade's going to be a little shorter. Usually that bothers me, but the Bugout's been one of my favorites since it first came out, guys. And I'll give you a bunch of reasons why. It's just a great, durable, everyday carry knife. If you don't have a Bugout on you, it's one of those, it's kind of like a why. Because if you're with Benchmade, you just know that a great everyday carry knife is going to be the Bugout. Unless you're an Osborne guy, then which is the 940. I have no argument there. Those are pretty much the two that go head to head. But upgraded from the regular Bugout of S30V, you have S90V steel, so a superior beast in edge retention compared to S30V. Anodized blue thumb stud and backspacer, which I really liked this. They took away the other backspacer, which is just integrated into the grivery. This, I feel like, gives me a lot more stability. And then, of course, if you can't tell, the upgraded carbon fiber, y'all. Look at the non-rigidity there. If you know anything about the Bugouts, the grivery does have some flex to it. Still a very strong knife. I stand by it. It's been one of my knives for a very long time. So I stand behind the grivery, and you saw how little flex the carbon fiber is, so I'm definitely going to stand behind that as well. You've got a regular flat grind with a satin finish on here, everybody. Manual opener with the axis lock, so if you know how that rolls out, that's really great. One of my favorite things about the axis lock is it's ambidextrous. You don't have to worry about someone who's left-handed not being able to hit that liner or get that button if it's an automatic. We've got a reversible pocket clip so that you can carry it tip up, either left or right-handed. And just overall, guys, a great knife. One of my favorite go-tos. This is my choice between this and the Osborne, and I know that's pretty much the battle when it comes to the EDC and Benchmade. But once again, everybody, the Benchmade Bugout 535-3. As always, you're going to find pricing on SerenityKnives.com. You have any questions, you guys hit us up. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, it doesn't matter. Make sure you're liking and subscribing to those videos, and we will see you once again when we get a next one. Later, guys.